What's up, everybody? Got something exciting for you today. And this time we're diving into the world of side hustles. Ever wished you could just pull out your phone and make some extra cash, like right now? Well, guess what? You totally can. We're talking 7 easy side hustles that require nothing but the thing you're probably already using to watch this video. So, if you're ready to unlock the money-making potential of that little device in your pocket, stick around. We're about to make it rain dollar bills up in here. Just kidding. Let's dive into these awesome side hustles. Tap into that brain power. Turn your linguistic skills into cash with freelance writing. Businesses need killer content. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are your marketplace. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start pitching. You can do it all from your phone. Find your new favorite client while lounging in your pajamas. Are you always glued to your phone, scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, and whatever other social media platform the cool kids are using these days? Well, I've got news for you. That endless scrolling could actually make you some serious dough. Yep, we're talking about becoming a social media manager. Businesses are desperate for people who can make their brands pop online. They need someone to create engaging content, schedule posts, respond to comments, and basically be the voice of their brand on social media. So, ditch those mindless scrolling sessions and start building a social media empire, one post at a time. Okay, listen up, because this next side hustle is all about working smarter, not harder. Imagine this, you create something amazing like an epic planner, a stunning template, or even a mind-blowing ebook, and it just keeps making you money, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of selling digital products. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it super easy to upload your products and start selling in minutes. And guess what? You guessed it, you can do it all from your phone. So put on your creative hat, whip up something awesome, and watch the passive income roll in. It's time to turn your digital dreams into digital dollars. Remember that one subject you aced? The one everyone came to you for help with? Relive those days and make cash with online tutoring? Connect with students worldwide using your smartphone. Apps like Cambly and Preply make it easy. All you need is your phone and a passion for teaching. Share your knowledge with the world, one lesson at a time. Ever told your friends about an awesome product you love and wished you could get a cut of the profit? Well, guess what? Now you can. Get ready to turn your social media into a money-making machine with affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You partner up with a brand or company you love, share their products or services with your followers, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. The best part? You don't even need a huge following to make money with affiliate marketing. Just be genuine, share products you truly believe in, and watch the commissions roll in. So, start spreading the word about your favorite brands and turn those recommendations into a lucrative side hustle. Are you a people person who loves to help others? Do you have the magical ability to turn a frown upside down with just your words? If so, then get ready to become a customer service hero, all from the comfort of your own home, or wherever you happen to be. Many companies are now hiring remote customer support agents to assist customers via text, chat, or even phone calls. And the best part? You can do it all from your smartphone. So if you're a natural problem solver with a knack for communication, then this side hustle is perfect for you. Put on your headset, channel your inner customer service superstar, and get ready to earn some serious cash while making a real difference in people's lives. Think those stunning photos and videos you take on your phone are just for Instagram likes? Think again! Your smartphone camera could be your ticket to a lucrative side hustle, no fancy equipment needed. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Fope are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images and videos to add to their collection. And guess what? They're willing to pay you for the right to use them. So the next time you're out and about, keep your eyes peeled for interesting subjects, capture them with your phone, and upload them to these stock photo and video sites. You never know, that stunning sunset photo or hilarious pet video could be your next big sale. Start your side hustle today. There you have it, 7 easy side hustles you can start today with just your smartphone. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making ideas.